Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a portable digital power bank. Now let's get started. Friend, for making digital portable power bank, I am using a portable step-up module. Here you can see this. And I am using 3 lithium-ion battery cells. There is lithium-ion battery cells. Now let's start to make our project. Friend, there is portable side and there is negative side. Friend, there is positive side and there is negative side. I will connect in parallel. Friend, there is negative side of step up module and there is positive side. Friend, there is negative wire and there is negative side of battery. And friend, there is positive side. So friends, I connect positive and negative wire. Both wire has been connected. Now let's time for testing. Here you can see this. Friend, here you can see this power bank working perfectly. So friend, that's all about my this power bank, mini power bank video. I hope you will enjoy my this video and learn something useful from me. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.